We have business, paper 2,
Yes.
May, June 2022. We go to the question. We're going to solve question 1 and 2 now. There's a case study for Lego Group. The case study is there for students to read.
Yes.
I'm just going to go to the question immediately. The first question says, which one of the following shows money coming in and money going out of a business? Money coming in and going out of the business is cash flow. So it is C. Cash flow represents cash inflow and cash outflow. Is it clear? Is it clear, please?
Yes.
Question Roman figure 2. Which one of the following could a person complete when applying for a job? When you are applying for a job, not shortlisting, that is done by the company. Job description is given by the company. Person specification is given by the company. So the only thing you have to fill is the application form for applying for a job. It's application form. So it is A. Roman figure 3. We have this. We have the bar chart. So there's fixed cost, there's variable cost, and revenue. Now they said which one of the following is correct? Is the correct statement? Total cost is 10,250,000. Total cost is variable cost plus fixed cost. And when you check this, 4.2 plus 1.1 is not going to give you 10 million. No. So it's not A. Cash inflow is 3.1 million. No. Cash inflow is revenue, which is around 4.8. It is not B. Loss is 550,000. So we check. The formula for loss is total revenue minus total cost. And profit is also the same as total revenue minus total cost. Here, our total revenue is 4,850,000. And our total cost is 4,250,000 plus 1,150,000. So when you add FC plus VC together, it gives you TC. And the TC here is 5.4 million. The TR is 4.8 million. So TR minus TC is 4,850,000 minus 5,400,000. It gives you a negative figure of 550,000. So our loss is 550,000, which is C. So that is it here. So the answer is C. Roman figure 4. Which one of the following is a benefit of being a franchisee? A franchisee is a person or is a business that has bought the license from the franchisor to use its brand name. So here, being able to choose your own supplier, you cannot choose your own supplier. The franchisor is a supplier. Selling an established brand, yes, because the franchise is a successful brand. So it allows you to use an established brand. So the answer is B. And C, not having to pay interest on a bank loan. It is not possible. You have to pay. If you have interest, you have to pay. If you have a loan, you have to pay an interest on it. Having complete control of the business. You cannot have control of the business. The business is determined and decided by the franchisor. So the answer is B. That's Roman figure 4. We go to Roman figure 5. Lego's revenue in 2019 was 38.5 billion. In 2020, it was 40.81 billion. Which one of the following is the percentage increase from 2019 to 2020? So percentage increase for 2019 is 38.5 and 2020 is 40.81. So for the new one minus old one divided by the old one multiplied by 100. So it gives us 0.06 multiplied by 100, which is 6%. So the answer is 6%, which is D. I think it's clear. So we go to question Roman figure 6. It said, which one of the following functional areas could help employees who had a problem with their wages? If employees have a problem with their wages, they have to go to the finance department. So it is the finance department, which is B. Production department, they take care of production. Marketing department takes care of sales and advertisement, or takes care of advertisement, and sales department is where they sell the products. So the answer is B for Roman figure 6. Question B. Divide the term break-even. Break-even simply means total revenue equals to total cost, or total cost equals to total revenue. That is break-even. Question C. Divide the term public corporation. Public corporation is a business owned and controlled by the government. I think it's clear. We go to D. State one benefit for Lego of having a short span of control. Having a short span of control means the hierarchy, the level of hierarchy has reduced. It means a lot of communication process or communication becomes faster. So I wrote, a short span of control allows faster communication between the managers of the 15 factories and the Danish headquarters. This may lead to fewer mistakes. When communication can be passed from the when communication can become faster, it means people will be able to get information as at when due, and that allows them not to make mistake. Then question E. It said Lego sells pineapple pencil holders for 148 DKK. The markup is 15%. Calculate to 2 decimal places the cost of making the pineapple pencil holders. If the markup is 15%, so it means 100 minus 15%, which is 85%. 85% multiplied by 148 is the cost of making the pineapple. that's 85 is 0.85, which is 85% multiplied by 148, so it's 125.8. That's the answer for E. Question F. Explain one disadvantage of using questionnaires as a method of market research. Questionnaire is a primary market research. It means questions are written which respondents have to answer. The problem about using questionnaire is that if the questions are too long, respondents might not answer the questions, and if they do, they might not give true answers to those questions. We go to G. Analyze the benefit of Lego of being a multinational business. If Lego is a multinational business, it means it can sell its toys cut across the world. It's going to have large customer base because it can sell to foreign customers, and as a result, its revenue can increase more than its competitors. I think it's clear. Is it clear, please?
Yes.
That ends question 1. Question 2. All 18,000 Lego employees are full-time. State one financial objective for Lego. If one financial objective for Lego could be to increase market share, is a financial objective. Also, to increase profit margin is also a financial objective. Any objective that involves monetary aspect is financial objective. So, increasing market share is financial objective. Is it clear?
Yes.
Question B. State one possible reason why Lego does not recruit casual employees. Casual employees are employees that do not have any, that are not attached to any, they will not gain any financial benefit or benefit from the company. So Lego might not employ casual workers because they might not be committed to the objective of Lego. When you employ full-time workers, they know that the success of the business will also have a positive impact in their lives. You understand? But if you are employing a casual worker, they don't care. They only get paid what they work for. So they are not, they don't have that, they don't have that commitment with the company. So that is the problem about employing casual employees. Question C. Explain one reason why a business would pay its employees above the minimum wage. If a business is paying employees above the minimum wage, it means it's paying them more than even its competitors. So this means, a business may consider paying its employees above the minimum wage based on the following reason. 1, this will encourage more employees to think about working at Lego, as this will mean that Lego pays more than its competitors. Also, they are likely to stay as a result of that. So if Lego pays its employees above the minimum wage, it means the employees are getting more than its competitors. That would allow Lego to keep its employees. Question D. Explain one reason why product trials are important to a business. When we are doing a product trial means you have set a geographical location, a restricted location where you can sell the product to just specific group or to restricted group of customers to get feedback from them. So most of the time businesses use product trial to get information or feedback about their product before they finally sell the products to the wider market. So it allows them to know more about the products. If there's need to make adjustments about the product, they'll be able to do it because they only sold to few customers. That's about that. Then question E. Explain one reason why a business complies with health and safety legislation. A business might comply with health and safety legislation because if it does not comply, it might be sanctioned by the government. So if you don't comply, because it is law, it is legal requirement it is a legal requirement. So if you don't comply, the government might sanction your company or might even close down your company. That was the first point. And this might also increase the cost of production. If government close down your company, it's a problem. That means you might not be able to operate anymore. And if government fines you or sanction you financially, if there's a fine, it means your cost of production, your cost of operation would increase. Then your profit would reduce. So you wouldn't want that. That's why you have to follow up with health and safety laws. And also, if you are following up health and safety laws, it means your workers, your employees are protected against any form of injury. They won't get injured because you are following health and safety laws. Is it clear? Is it clear, please? That's E. We go to F. Lego is constantly introducing new toys to the market to keep its customers buying. It is planning to introduce a new Star Wars Princess Leia toy. It is considering the following two pricing strategies to launch the toy: cost plus pricing and skimming. When we talk about cost plus pricing, we're talking about adding a markup before the price. You add a markup to the cost before setting a price. That is cost plus. So the advantage about using cost plus is that it is easy to apply. It is easy. You just have to add a markup, then you set the price. So this also means using cost plus pricing means that Lego will know if it's able to make profit or not. So if Lego is selling its product, it would have meant that it's making profit from the sales of the product. Cost plus pricing means you set a price above the cost price. Setting a price above the cost price means if you sell the product, it means you are making profit immediately. But the problem about using cost plus pricing is that if your competitors are selling below the price you set, then your customers might switch to buy to your competitors, and that might reduce your revenue and also profit. Then we go to price skimming. For price skimming, it means you are setting a high price for a new product. So if you are setting a high price for a new product, you might be doing that to make people understand or customers understand that your product has a better quality. So the advantage about setting a high price for a new product is that it allows you to make profit as soon as the product is being released to the market. But the problem about using such price skimming is that when you use price skimming, it reduces the number of customers that wants to buy, because some customers will not want to buy because the price is high for them to buy. So you might not be making a lot of revenue and profit. Is it clear? So that ends question 2. So we'll continue with question 3 or 4 afterwards.